yeah. That's film. That's film. We're sending that to Animal Planet. Oh my gosh. What is good, YouTube? It's your boy, Troy. One half of TNT Dynasty. How y'all doing today? Hope y'all doing good. Hope you're having a blessed day, blessed night. Just wanna say, man, make sure you like the video. Turn on post notifications. Subscribe to the channel. We're gonna be posting dope videos forever, ever. We about to run it up. Brand new channel, but we about to run it up. It's our other have, and by the title, you know, we got a beautiful cat. His name is Bentley, and we about to bring y'all on our night routine with Bentley, and we named him Bentley because he is royalty, like a Bentley. Oh, other half.
Hey guys, it's your girl Tay.
Oh, hey man, yesterday was our 6-year anniversary, bro. Drop in the comments right now, man. Happy 6 years, bro. You know what I'm saying? It's our 6 years, man. You know, it's a lucky number 6. It's our 6 years. Yeah, man, excited, man. This girl, man, me and this girl, man, we've been through a lot together, man. You know what I'm saying, bro? It's my girl right here, man. My queen, and my wife, and I'm my love. I'm my lover.
Don't scream too much, he's gonna jump.
Hey, and this is our famous cat. Oh, Bentley, you probably seen him in the thumbnail from the morning routine. Look at him. Look how
He's shy.
Look at me, Bentley. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Ah.
He doesn't want to look.
So, guys, hold on. Y'all see the diamonds? Y'all see the diamonds? Y'all see his collar ain't like no other collar. Look at you. Look at you. Oh, yeah, we got that B-roll pan. Stay Farm, y'all see it. Look at, oh, this is beautiful. You're beautiful, you're gorgeous, amazing. Yes, that's it. We didn't get the State Farm drip. Babe.
We're gonna go take a bath now.
Oh.
So we're doing the cat routine.
Yes.
So first step
Babe.
is bath time.
Bath time. Yo.
Oh, Jones.
Oh, he's took off. Bentley, who he touched my hand?
Alright, let's give him a quick bath.
Big bang, big rings. Niggas they hate, I don't get that. I'm up, you mad? Making them plays off an iPad.
Go to your mother now.
Here. Come on, I gotta wash your paws. Come here.
Go to your mother.
Why?
Yes. He likes that. Oh, look at him.
He thinks it's a game.
Bentley.
Your sounds so dry.
Bentley, come here.
Ew.
There we go.
He doesn't like it.
Guys, I'm so sorry that our cat is being unresponsive tonight. Is he being a good boy? Oh yes, up top angle. We got the beautiful cat and the beautiful lady. It's 2-in-1. We got the 2-in-1 special.
There.
Oh wow. What an amazing sight. What a beautiful thing that we are witnessing right now. Legs spread wide open, stretching, clawing the floor, while we have a beautiful Asian wiping him down as we speak. Wow. Look at him, look at the tail whip back and forth.
I whip my tail back and forth, I whip my tail
Yeah.
back and forth.
Look at the beautiful Asian girl as she strokes precisely back and forth, as she gropes the tail. Is bad time over?
Yeah, because he's being difficult.
Bad time cannot be over already.
But he's being difficult.
He's what, babe?
He's being difficult.
He's being difficult. How do you spell difficult?
D-I-F-F-I-C-U-L-T. Difficult.
Say it again. D-I-F-F.
C-U-L-T.
Okay. You're smart.
So what's next?
Next?
Fur.
Brush his fur. Grab the brush. Grab the brush. Look at you.
Big bang, big rings. Niggas they hate, I don't get that. I'm up, you mad? Making them plays off an iPad.
Oh, the brush.
Now we're brushing the cat.
Or brushing the cat.
Brushing the Bentley.
Brushing the Bentley.
Yep. Let's drop to the floor soon.
You take care of your Bentley?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, how much does your Bentley cost?
He costs like more than $1 million.
More than $1 million. So this cat is more, our cat is more than $1 million? God damn, that's an expensive cat. Y'all would buy this cat for $1 million?
He knew what he did even.
What does he do?
Cuddles.
He cuddles.
Kisses.
He kisses.
When you say come here, he actually listens.
He does.
See, I told you.
Look
so
at this.
drop-
Oh, look at him. Ah!
He likes being brushed.
So cute.
So you gotta brush him every night. So he doesn't shed too much on your scalp.
Okay, yeah.
See, he's playing. Let him smell the brush so he knows that it's okay.
You gotta
go back to it.
You gotta let him smell it.
Yeah, because he's just being curious, so he wants to know what it is.
Look at him.
He's like dragging his bong across the floor. Alright, so that's it for brushing him tonight. Since he's a little riled up, we don't do this every night, but when he's all rowdy like this and he's all over the place, and then use the laser.
The laser?
And let him exercise.
And exercise?
Big bang, big racks. Niggas they hate, I don't get that. I'm up, you mad? Making them plays off an iPad.
Look, he's already looking for it.
Oh, the laser. Oh, yeah. That's film. That's film. We're sending that to Animal Planet. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Keep him on the wall. Do not move him from the wall. We need this wall action. I know, Bentley. You gotta fight for it. Yes, you gotta fight for it, son. And life isn't easy. Life isn't easy.
He's becoming smart.
He's hunting now. Oh yeah. That's my boy. Come on. Don't ever give up. Oh, come on, son. You got this. Son, you got this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh.
Yeah, see, he has a lot of energy tonight. Usually he'll hide behind stuff and like try and like be smart and like hunt it.
Mm-hmm.
But now he's actually chasing after it.
He is. Let's go, my boy. Give him the little. Yeah. Oh yeah. He actually chasing that bit.
This is not usually this.
Paw check.
He's hiding behind the shoes.
Oh yeah. Oh, between the.
I thought he was gonna go between your legs. Let's try again.
Look at him. Observe his prey. Analyze his prey. Get to know his prey. Break the neck for his prey. Oh shit. Oh my gosh. Ooh, white toes. B-roll of the feet.
Stop.
Ooh.
Stop. Look at the cat.
They nervous. So that was step number what, babe? 3? That was step number 3. What's next? Stretch?
Oh, wait.
One more?
Gotta brush his
Another?
teeth.
Oh, yeah, brush his teeth.
Big bang, big racks. Niggas they hate, I don't get that. I'm up, you mad? Making them plays off an iPad.
Hey guys, how y'all doing? One big happy family. Look at that boy. Benny, come here. Gotta get him down and relaxed. Gotta get him comfortable. You go in. Gotta get his trust. You gotta feel the ears a little bit. Y'all see the ears? He loves the ears. Pull up the lip. Come on, Belly, we're not done yet.
I can't see. Okay, stop. See? Look, we're brushing his teeth. Alright, next step, babe.
Stretching and going to sleep?
Yep.
That's always the best part. That's the fun part. So it's time for bedtime, guys. I go to sleep, man. We got a long day tomorrow. I'll put this little man to sleep. It's our famous cat, Bentley.
Why you keep calling him our famous cat?
Because he is our famous cat. He has an Instagram. Make sure you guys go follow him.
You don't even know what his name is.
That nigga Bentley.
Maybe we should change his name because not a lot of people can say that nigga.
Facts. Right now it's that nigga Bentley. Next time you see it, it might be something different. So we about to tuck him in, man. Love y'all, bro. Y'all be blessed.
I'm about to tuck you and you look tired.
Good night, my son.
Good night, Bentley. Good night. Bentley, look up here. No. No. Good night.
Big bang, big rings. Niggas they hate, I don't get that.